Subs.
Did you use your shotgun and crash? That's what you didn't do.
Yeah. I hit a kid fucking twice in bottom A. Twice. It didn't kill him.
Throw a nade B-sides is worse. One up on the propane.
Fuck, did I put a flash grenade on? What the fuck? That sucks.
Hey, one sewers, B sewers. Another B sewers.
I got no flash.
Careful, Nitsan, you're...
My assist.
God, fucking die!
They're all going back to the middle. They're all going back to the middle.
Fuck.
Someone in the middle A tank.
Shit.
That's bomb down B alley. Boom. Word. That's how two of them go back middle. That's what they were, eh? Good call on the B sewers, man, because they stunned
Nice.
it and didn't fucking get a stun, so they came out. Told you. I can see them going. They got me throwing an id.
Good grenade.
So say grenades, I guess. They sit back unless they rush fucking teams. I'm gonna throw a nade middle on them, because two of them do it.
I didn't saw anyone.
Yeah. Ooh, where'd he hit me from? Nice try, buddy.
Kids back A fence.
Oh my god. I'm stunned, fucking. Better not nade this, dude.
Headshot, bitch. I got the guy in the propane.
2B alley. Oh my god, you can't shoot through the fucking car. There's two over there, Gowdy. Careful. They're okay.
I'm fine, someone watching
Sniper.
mid. No one, you guys are all watching
Okay,
left side.
come back side. He's coming out sewers, A side.
Oh, shit.
I'm still good for.
I'm getting a lot
Yeah,
of
Mike, let me go
this
top propane and snipe him middle if I can. Or jump on that block. Want to snipe him? You gotta look between the fucking thing on the tank.
They're probably gonna nade middle. Whoever, if someone's going middle. Cause I rushed up last time.
Yeah, nothing. I got one left side. Show you.
How many? God, I'm getting so many one bursts, dude. Oh my god, we're not even watching now.
What the fuck, bro? Man, I hate Juggernaut.
Oh, he's Humvees. I couldn't get out.
It's 2v2.
Two boys.
What kids
Area,
from
show you.
other kids.
It's me below you. You're so open with that sniper, dude. Like, don't worry. They like you're the enemy at the fucking gate. You want? There it is. Middle. You just look there. Fucking middle.
Mid.
Yeah, there's both of them there. I didn't see both of them. Oh, zombies, bro. Shit. That's what I was aiming for. Oh, the pew.
He's still
there.
there.
I see his
You
feet.
see him? You see his feet?
Got to be behind the helmet.
He's on the other side.
No, he's left.
I think he's behind the helmet. Yeah.
That bitch. Side. Yep. Get it, bro. You got 20. There you go. 3 seconds. There you go.
Under the fucking car.
Damn right.
Jesus.
Claymore.
Guy calls Claymore.
Use it.
Come on.
Fuck these kids, they kept shooting us.
That's because we're 30 and 1.
Yeah.
Fuck them. It's gonna lick my fucking taint.
Did anyone run up on the middle snipe
I
happened
don't
before?
think
They
so.
didn't last time. I'm gonna go red room. Go right side. Throw a nade middle, go red room. Oh,
I'm
I got
stunning
bombs, so it
mid.
looks like I'm not now. Fuck.
I
You're
can't
near it.
fucking move, dude. Jesus.
Send a
I need to
kid.
fix that shit. Thanks. It just goes in the most
what?
known
Wait.
spot.
Wait. What?
What's in their middle sniper tower?
One zombies.
I don't know where he is, Sin, but he's probably still there.
I saw him there. There he is. Where's
Yep.
there? Propane.
He's in their middle propane on the right corner.
Smoke B, so I
Okay,
get a
sure.
fucking...
Okay, he's in the right in the corner. By the propane. Propane, the right corner. Oh, the right corner. Yep, no, right corner.
Careful, boys. I'm.
Oh, I should've got him. I gotta have a guy come below me.
For what it's worth, I'm all the way behind him.
Yeah, I'll just chill. Seaford should be able to get my pick. Just get up top middle, Seaford. Just hold on. Don't. Seaford's about to kill us, good. Oh, he's middle
Middle
propane.
tank, you should-
Seaford, you gotta go, kind of.
Middle tank. Yep, I know, middle tank.
And like, they're all fucking aimed at me. Like, where are you guys? Other tank, you fucking scoot, motherfucker. There you go.
A tank.
You have a nade, dude.
Damn.
And B
It's the
building.
worst nade.
Yo, Scoot, help the guy out, bro. What the fuck are you doing?
One's a tank.
Oh, you came down. Fuck you.
There you go.
The guy's
Last
blue.
guy's
And then the
fucking
kid's
B-side.
B building.
Kill the motherfucker. You're
Could
in
be
up.
top blue. I don't know.
Christ. Hate you with a sniper, I swear to God.
He's got a sniper too, so.
Dead.
Right when you're done planning, you should smoke yourself. Oh, it's right there.
Like, duh!
That's okay. All you can do is plan it.
Alright.
Dude, if we push those kids a little quicker, you could have killed that kid. Because they had no idea.
They
Yeah.
were all shooting at me, bro. I don't know what the fuck. I was getting fucked up.
Nah, he's talking to me, Ash.
You actually should have killed that one kid by the tank.
Yeah, and actually, I guess I could have kept
I'm
shooting.
gonna tell you, I'm gonna go
Oh,
fucking
no, I mean-
B-side.
I kind of shot him and lay down.
Oh my god, I can't fucking run again.
Let me see anyone yet. There's one sewer. There's one in the fucking sewer.
One kid, eight tunnels.
Look out, he might be in the sewer.
Kid's 8 tunnels.
Yeah, it could be.
I killed a kid B tunnels.
I'm
I shot him once and then I stopped shooting him. And he had Juggernaut and I almost died.
Come on.
He's up top, he's sniping. He's super
the other
injured.
Two guys are over here, I think.
There's one left. He's running the B
look at-
from
look
the
at- look at
spawn.
one back
Running
B.
B side from the spawn.
Yep, last one. No,
There's
right,
spawn,
guy.
go the other way.
There we go.
Fucking piss. Jesus Christ. Someone else take the fucking bomb. I'm not feeling it.
Yeah, I can.
It's a rush,
I'll
eh?
just put Jug on and rush planet.
It's getting me killed straight up. All smoky. You want to smoke?
Oh, okay. Looks like I'm going rush planning. Oh, one kid's middle tank.
Shot once.
One
Hey,
kid's there,
fucking
there,
sewers.
A tunnel.
Yeah, you got me. Somebody just left the game for some reason. Did you guys see that?
Probably got shit on.
I got the kid that was A tunnel.
Yeah, they're all leaving, guy.
A tunnel. He's another one A tunnel. He's coming in A tunnel.
That's the avenge. Thank you.
What's up?
Wait,
Didn't even want to
let's
change
see
the
if there's
shirt.
left.
No, I didn't take this to work.
Did the other guy just leave?
Oh, it's home.
Yeah.
Going home today?
No. Oh, might be on stream. That might.
Someone
just
got
been on stream.
proof.
Holy shit!
Come on, man. They call me the proof man.
The proof.
That's gonna be our fucking team logo right there.
Call me
DJ Proof.
man.
What?
You guys get another one then. Let's go.